Space technology executives face challenges in launch costs amid market consolidation.
The space technology industry is grappling with mounting pressure from both established players and market dynamics despite new opportunities like emerging in lunar missions and space manufacturing.
The economics for small satellite launch vehicles are challenging, says Sarashech Palakonda, VP of Business Development at Skyroot Aerospace, while SpaceX offers launches at us per kilogram through its Falcon rocket. Smaller vehicles typically charge us per kilogram, creating a stark pricing gap that's difficult to bridge.
The reusability advantages that enable SpaceX to achieve lower costs may not translate well to smaller launchers for small satellite launch vehicles. Reusability would not be very efficient, so Palakonda explains, suggesting expendable rockets may remain more commercially viable for smaller players.
Industry consolidation compounds these challenges, with major constellations like SpaceX, Starlink, and Amazon's Project Kuiper preferring heavy launch vehicles. Small launch providers must target niche markets like specialized orbits and smaller satellite networks, stuff like satellite.
Hex, Hewell, Lloyd, Jacob Lopez emphasizes standardization as a key industry hurdle. The satellite industry is in a very early stage where we are seeing people adopting different standards for integration. He says the lack of common interfaces between satellite buses, payloads, and launch vehicles complicates integration and drives up costs. So
both executives see promising opportunities in emerging sectors. New space-based manufacturing facilities planned by companies like Axiom and Voyager will require regular cargo services. Lunar missions and deep space exploration are gaining traction, while Earth observation becomes increasingly critical for monitoring climate change and urban development.
However, the industry faces intensifying competition. At least companies are trying to prove their technology capabilities in the next couple of years. Palakonda says competing for an estimated launches by.
The launch landscape could shift dramatically with SpaceX Starship vehicle, so potentially bringing costs down to us per kilogram. Design and standards across the industry are going to take a rapid change. Palakonda concludes.